Mama told me, be careful. When you move into the couple here, I hope we meet you.
That's it. You're a talent. No. You're different. Fantabulous music. You will perform with Naira Marley. I can show you that.
Daddy, we don't want you. I can sing the music.
Come on, talk. You're doing well. Let me hear you.
Go, we can. Let's go. What you don't know,
That's it. You got it. It's you. Are you normal? You perform with the band.
Oh my God.
That's it.
Mama.
Oh, fantabulous. Look, she's singing nonsense. She's singing the rubbish. I don't have business with that. It's because I want to freak her out. I want to lick her. You should have plan. Just that star 463 on MTN. That's Screen Platform. You upload your content, your music, just put it there and promote it. Once you promote it, the top 5 stream content are those that will have the opportunities to perform with the band, Naira people and the rest. Give it first. It's in April, so you have to buckle up. Call me first thing in the morning.
I'll call you.
You're doing well. You will go back.
Ekpele freaky. Koto say the fregede big pata Yokozuna. Alligator. So you want to freak me? Efe la me.
No, it's not like that.
Do you think so? I'm not doing well, Kankan.